What's up? Brett Blakemore here from Summit Guitar School. If you want tabs for this song or another song we've done a lesson on, head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter. We're also going to start sending out some premium lessons once a month with our newsletter, all right? No spam, just like once a month free lesson. So head over there and check that out. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We really appreciate the support. Let's jump into this lesson. So let's jump into this fingerstyle thing. I'm going to break it down note for note and exact fingering I'm using in my right and left hands. At the end of this portion, I will also break down just the strumming chords if that's all you want. But this part right here will be a little bit more intermediate, and at the end there'll be a little bit more of a beginner version of this that I know a lot of our students will want to check out. So let's check it out. So the basic chord structure here is C, G, C add 9, I should say, to G, and then there's an E minor, 7th, and a D. So we're going to outline those things with this little fingerstyle thing. It's kind of catchy, and it literally goes through the whole song. So it's pretty simple. So let's break down this fingerstyle thing. I'm going to put my index here on this C, 3rd fret, 5th string. I'm going to put my middle finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. That's a D. And then we're going to hammer on, in this case, our pinky. It's a little hard to do. You could bar it as well, but I feel like that's hard as well. So I'm going to break it down with a pinky hammer on. So index, 3rd fret, 5th string. Middle finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. You're going to go thumb on the 5th, and then your middle finger on the 2nd, and then you hammer your pinky onto the 5th fret, 2nd string, and pull off. Just like that. I'm plucking that 2nd string with my middle finger, so just like that. Pluck, pluck, hammer. You kind of got to give it a little strength. Play on the tip of your finger, pull off. If it doesn't hurt, you're not putting it on the right part of your finger, so it should irritate your finger a little bit because the pinky isn't used a lot. So this is good. It's kind of a good song to kind of get this pinky in shape. So I'm gonna pluck, pluck, hammer, pull off. When I pull off, just for you guys that have never done a pull off, I'm literally pulling off and letting my pinky or whatever finger happens to be doing the pull off and then land on the string just below it or underneath it. That way you know you get a good sounding pull off. Right, that was slow, but that's the idea. All right, the other way you could do it is if you wanted to bar. Here you go, and you still have to do the pull off with the 3rd finger, like that. To me, doing it like this is the best idea. So I go index, middle, and pluck, pluck, hammer, pull off. The hammer, you kind of give it a little strength. So after the pluck, hammer on, you're gonna go to this G. So you're gonna pluck the 3rd fret, 6th string, 2nd string open. So it's pluck, pluck, hammer, pull off. And I'm plucking the 6th, 3rd fret, and the 2nd string open. The 2nd string is going to be with my middle finger, 6 with my thumb. And then I go 6. So 6 and 2nd together, and then I go 6, 2nd string, 3rd string. So that's thumb, middle on the 2nd string, index on the 3rd. So the first bit, you got it right there. I just played it twice. 6th, 2nd string, 3rd string. That's thumb, middle, index. So after that first time, you go back and do this main riff again. And then you pluck the G type of thing, which is the 6th string, 3rd fret, 2nd string open. And then you go 6th string with your thumb, 2nd string with your middle finger. But then you have to hammer on your index to the 1st fret, 2nd string, and then pull off. And then you pluck your 3rd string open. So that's... And that's another good hammer-on pull-off practice right here. Pluck, pluck, hammer, pull off, 3rd string open with my index. So it's... If I do that really slow... Alright, and then you go back and you do this again. That's the first pattern, so 6, 2nd, 3rd, and then he goes an E minor, but you're going to put your middle finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, and you're going to pluck 6, 4th, 3rd. That's thumb, index, middle, 6th string, 4th string, 3rd string, while my middle finger is on the 4th fret, 4th string. So you go back to this riff, just to review, 6, 2, 3, and then you go 6th string open, 4th string, 4th fret, 3rd string open, and then you slide your third finger into the 5th fret, 5th string, and then you get kind of a C shape right here. So you go, and then your middle finger goes on the 4th fret, 4th string, and your index goes on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. So it's, all right, that's the sound you're going for. It's kind of like a C here, but up on the 5th fret, okay? So it's, and so when I play that C shape off of that D here, which is your root, I slide my 3rd finger into it, and then I pluck my thumb again. That was thumb on the 5th string, thumb on the 4th string, and then I use my index on my right hand to pluck the 3rd and the 2nd string together. So let me play that whole little bit there. So you got, so it's 6, 4, 3, slide, 4th string, and then that. So let me play that whole ending turnaround thing. You got, so I'll do that again. That's literally the entire song. So I'll go through it again really slow. So you got, so if you only wanted to do the chords, you could go C add 9, down, G, up, down, down. The key there is keep 3 and 4 there for when you go from the C to the G. So down, up, down, down. And you do that 3 times. C, up, down, down, up, down, down. C, up, down, down, up, down, down. Then E minor 7th, which is a regular E minor with your 3rd finger or your pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. D, up, down, down. So it's C, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. E minor 7th, down, D, up, down, down. Literally through the entire song.